Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip of the Glock 41. First thing we're going to do is press the magazine release and remove the mag from the mag well. We're going to pull back on the slide, make sure that the chamber is empty. With a safe weapon, you can point the Glock in a safe direction, press the trigger. Once this is done, you're going to need to simultaneously pull back on the slide while pulling down on both sides of the takedown pins. That's all the more you have to go. Then you can release the slide forward, set the frame off to the side. Here, we're going to compress the recoil spring and pull it back to remove it. The barrel, slide forward a little bit, pull down, and remove. Disassembly of the Glock 41 is now complete. For more information on the guns you love, head to pewpewtactical.com. Check out our guides, articles, and other reviews. To reassemble the Glock, we're going to insert the barrel through the front of the slide, pull it back into place until it drops. Insert the recoil spring with this part forward toward the muzzle. You're going to compress the spring until it gets to the shelf, second shelf that's closest to the barrel, and it will lock into place. From here, we'll line up the grooves with the slots in the back of the slide and bring it all the way back and release it. Now we can function test. Again, confirming that we're clear, pointing the weapon in a safe direction. I'm going to press the trigger and hold it back. Rock the slide, let it go. Release the trigger gently until it clicks. Hold, trigger reset is complete. Press the trigger again. We have a good functioning weapon. The last thing we'll do is insert the mag, pull it back, make sure that we have a last round lock back. This has been the Glock 41 field strip from Sean Curtis. This is pewpewtactical.com. Thanks for watching. Please head to our site for more information and reviews.